Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. If you're new, I am Bria the Weezy. Those who don't know, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. So in today's video, it's not sponsored. I purchased all these items with my own money, so I wanted to show you guys all the items that I got from Cotton On and Factorie. So yeah, without me wasting any of your time, let's get straight into today's video. Okay, so before I start today's video, I've seen the last video that I posted, or a video that I posted 2 years ago, is kind of like still a video that some of you guys are still watching. So I decided, let me just do another underwear or bikini haul for you guys, just so you guys can actually see the type of bikinis that I really like, that I really feel comfortable in. Because baby, I'm a trans girl, so each and every bikini or underwear that I wear, I need to feel comfortable in. So yeah, let me actually show you guys the first item that I got. So this is the first underwear that I bought, you guys. It has Cotton On Body's tag at the front. You guys can actually see that it still has the tags, and I'm in a size small. This is the original price of this underwear. So I like how this underwear is. It's like breathable, it's not too tight. I've tried it, I'm sure you guys can actually see in the screen. I really like it, and I like the fact that it has this band or stretchable band on top, just so it can hold everything. You guys will actually see why I chose these type of underwears. So I had to buy this one because I needed new underwears. So yeah, you guys actually see why I chose this one. Never mind it looking so wrinkled, because I haven't worn them as yet, so I wanted to show you guys before I start wearing them. So let me show you guys another underwear that I got, and this one is my favorite, this gray type underwear. It doesn't look like the first one that I actually showed you guys. It also has Cotton On's tag at the front, and it's in a size small. It is the Cotton On brief in gray. All the links of these underwears will be in my description box for you guys, just in case you guys want to purchase these items. I like the material of these underwears are kind of like the same, and they are very nice and snug, because y'all know when you're wearing an underwear, at least your things down there needs to have space to breathe. You don't have to wear an underwear that's too tight. Yeah, all the prices are kind of like the same though, but let me show you guys the prices. It is $120. Let me show you guys another underwear that I got, and it's in pink, my favorite color. It's similar to the first one that I showed you guys. It's in a size small as well, same material, same everything, and it's $150 as well, same as the first one that I actually showed you guys. I have nothing to say about these underwears, you guys, but I really just like everything about them, the material and how they are. They actually came in all like plastics and stuff, but I had to throw all the plastic away. So let me show you guys another underwear that I actually got, and it's in this color. I don't know what this color is called, sort of like minty color, and it's also in a size small, as you guys can actually see, and it was $120, similar to the gray one that I actually showed you guys. This is how it looks. It has the Cotton On branded tags at the front. What I like the most about these underwears, and they are stretchy. So yeah, let me show you guys the last underwear that I got, and it's in this purple color, and I think it's a brief. Yeah, no, it's a Cotton On branded boy shorts, and it's in a violet color. This is how it looks. I want this one in a lot of colors though. I want it in pink as well, in gray, in black, and I think they have I think they have a lot of colors on their website. But you guys, I'll actually put a screenshot here just so you guys actually see the type of colors that they have. They also do have thongs / g-strings in these materials as well, but I'm not a g-string type of girl, so I prefer to wear these type of underwears. I like underwears that has material that is very comfortable and also feels good on the skin. I don't like very harsh material when it comes to underwears. I'm one of those people that's very picky when it comes to underwear. So this one was also like $150. All my underwears are in a size small because I'm a size small. Obviously I didn't want to buy an extra small because it was not gonna make sense at all, but this is how this underwear look. So let me show you guys the last item that I got, and it's a graphic tee from Factorie, and I bought it from the men's section. One thing about the men's section clothes, you guys, they're so amazing, and including their suede pants, suede tops, graphic tees, like a lot of things that in the men's section are so nice, and the quality is so amazing. So I had to get myself this Tupac graphic tee. It's in the size small. I was so surprised that it looks like this. I'm sure you guys can actually see in the screen how it looks on me. I thought maybe it's gonna be small, or maybe I had to get like a medium, and I got it for $3.99, and they actually do have a sale on some of their graphic tee. But before you buy anything online, make sure you guys do check other people that have purchased reviews, or watch other YouTubers videos, just so you guys can actually see. But I really like this a graphic tee, and it's a very good quality. This graphic tee is not one of those graphic tees that has like weak material. It's not see-through when you're wearing it, but now I'm trying to show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks. It's sort of like grayish, blackish type, because when I ordered it, I wanted one in black, but when it came it was this color, but I was not mad at all. I kind of do like this color as well. It kind of fits my color palette. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys check my description box if you guys want to purchase all the items that I got from Cotton On, and if you guys want to see another clothing haul, because I have a lot of clothing hauls that I'm going to be doing on my channel. You guys make sure you also like down below and comment down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Oh, before I go, make sure you subscribe if you watched this video this far, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.